70 million Americans suffer from some form of acne, which results in embarrassment and social isolation. We spoke with Sharon Christopher of Facial Aesthetic Concepts in San Clemente to find out about new treatments that are clearing skin and improving the quality of life for those who suffer.
Well, acne is a condition of the skin that's comprised of different components. Obviously, people know it as pimples on the skin, but it has all different sorts of grades of acne. It's caused by excess oil production. It's caused by a bacteria that causes acne. It can be caused by irritants topically placed on the skin, and the inability of certain skin cells to shed properly, causing plugs in the skin. So there's all sorts of components that kind of make up acne as we know it in the form of different pimples. We see all types of patients. Patients range from, the well-known teenager up to the middle-aged male, female, first starting acne for the first time. So we have a wide range. We have all ethnic backgrounds that have it. We have all sorts of options for patients. So certainly we look at a patient and individualize a treatment plan. So we can go from anything from just products or topical type treatments, if that's all people need, maybe combined with some types of facials, etc. We can then get into some chemical peeling processes, and then we're getting into some of the newer therapies now. So we have several things to offer which are newer treatments for acne. One of them is called blue light therapy. Blue light therapy uses a machine called the Blue U, which is a special blue light that actually interferes with the way the acne bacteria is produced. This particular treatment can induce, for lack of a better term, kind of a remission of the acne condition, and we could get people, off topicals, off antibiotics, and just keep them on good home care regimen, but get very, very nice clearing of the acne condition. We then have some more aggressive treatments. One is called photofacial, which is known as intense pulse light device. That's used for other sorts of cosmetic issues, but it also can treat inflammatory type acne very, very nicely. IPLs used alone we do in a series of treatments, and we can induce again a nice remission of the acne condition for patients, as well as you get more aesthetic benefit in the smoothness, the texture, the appearance of the skin overall. We then have kind of the next step above, which is known as photodynamic therapy, which again is used for many other aesthetic and or medical conditions, but inflammatory acne being one of the ways, one of the things that PDT therapy treats. It enhances a regular photofacial to get a much more immediate response to different things, but again, acne as well. But a lot of really new and interesting type of techniques to help treat acne, and patients perhaps who have used all the well-known treatments, haven't had luck, or just keep having recurrences. These therapies are just an excellent way, to address the problem. People who follow a regimen that we gear and personalized for them, I think we have significant results, definitely in the 90th percentile. All of our other patients understanding that this is what we recommend, but perhaps they choose something a little less aggressive, again, mainly because of lifestyle. They're all very, very happy with their outcomes, so it depends on where somebody wants to be, but we have tremendous success overall, absolutely.